Okay, so where we last left off, I was on general build level 3 using Stryd, and I was deciding, will I go level 4, level 3? I denied, and I tried. So I completed that last week of testing. I did my 5k all out. I ended up with a time of 20 minutes and 27 seconds. 20 minutes, 27 or 26 seconds. And my critical power settled on, after doing a 3, 10 and 20 minute test, or a 5k, not a 20 minute, but it's pretty close. My critical power ended up at 301 watts, which is 4.24 watts per kilo, which puts me in the range of being eligible or recommended by the Stryd ecosystem to train on a level 4 training program. The level 4 training program differs from level 3 in a few ways. Let me just look it up. There's a website where Coach Palladino, who created the training plans, does highlight the differences. So I'm doing the full marathon. The differences between level 3 and 4 are the intensities of the quality workout portions. So marathon pace is a little bit higher. So instead of 86 to 89%, in level 3 it's 88 to 91. And you can go to this link, and I'll put this in the notes, and look at the different comparisons. Also, what is different is the length of the workouts. So at the start, half marathon pace workouts start at 11, whereas they start at 12:30 on level 4. And each type of quality workout session has a different starting workout length, slightly smaller for level 3 compared to level 4. The peak workouts are also different. The other crucial difference is that level 3 contains 1 to 2 workouts per week, whereas level 4 is always 2 per week. Now what this looks like is that every second week every cycle there is one less workout. So first week, 2 workouts. Second week, 1 workout. Third week, 2 workouts. Fourth week, test week. So it ends up being that you get every other week is a slightly easier week. Now I always think I'm better than I am, and I usually pick training plans that are harder than I should, and I'm wrestling with this all the time. I tell myself, no, you should do the easier one. And Coach Palladino has said in a number of Facebook posts, train smarter, not harder. Now, I fit the bill for this one, just for level 4. I fit it just. I have a busy life. In reality, I should choose level 3. And for the first 3 weeks, I could not make up my mind. And I decided to slightly test out level 4. And I tested it out by doing level 3 for the first week. And on the second week, instead of doing 1 workout, which is prescribed, I did the 2. Everything was going kind of okay, but I started having trouble sleeping, and I decided, sleep is more important. And on a couple of the workouts, I did pick the higher pace intensities, or higher intensities or percentages of CP for the workouts. I modified my level 3 training to match those. At the end of, I've now gone in and done the first 3 weeks. I'm now in the first testing week. I've decided fully and wholeheartedly to go back and do level 3 only. And this is because sleep, busy life, there's many mornings where it is a struggle to get out on time and to have also had a quality sleep. So I'm going to prioritize that. The last long run I did, which was an hour and 40 on level 3, and it would have been an hour and 50 on level 4. I did an hour and 40, but I did it at the level 4 training intensities. It went pretty good. I had some niggles afterward. The next 3-week cycle, I'm definitely going to wholeheartedly commit to the level 3 intensities. I feel like it is just better for my body, and I need to keep reminding myself that it will be better and I'll get a better outcome if I can remain consistent versus working harder and potentially injuring myself and then absolutely destroying my ability to complete my first marathon. So how I'm doing my training is using, I have set it up in Power Center. I'm on this test week now. I've done my first 2 easy days. Tomorrow is my first test, 3-minute test. We'll see how I go. I expect this to cause my critical power to go down, hopefully quite a fair bit, and then I'll try and boost it back up on the Sunday with my time trial 20 minutes. Usually I go to a park run to do that. This time I won't be able to do a park run because I've switched all my long runs to be on a Sunday so that I can run the park runs with my son, who wants to do the 5K at the same marathon festival where I'll be running my marathon. So park runs out of the equation for testing. I'll be going to a track instead. I work at a university, they have a track there, and we'll see how I go. So that's my update for all of my non-existent viewers, but who knows, one day maybe someone will come back and look at this, or maybe someone's interested in looking at a review of the Stryd ecosystem. And I feel like where Stryd really excels is these training programs. That's it for the update. Thanks.